Science Year 3, Unit 4 Animals. Today's lesson, Dentition of Animals. Changes in the animals' eating habits. The first topic, Dentition of Animals. Types of teeth and their functions. There are three types of teeth: incisors, canines, and molars. Incisors to cut food, canines to tear food, molars to grind food. Do you know that animals have different types of teeth? Their teeth depends on the type of food that they eat. Refer to your textbook, page 64. Animals that eat other animals only are known as carnivores. How is the dentition of carnivores? Carnivores have sharper canines than other animals. They have sharp canines to tear meat. Carnivores' dentition. Look at the few pictures of their dentition. Number 2, herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat plants only. Herbivores have strong incisors to cut plants. They have big molars to grind plants for easier swallowing. Example of herbivores: horses and zebras. They have upper and lower incisors. There are also herbivores with no upper incisors. Sheep and cows have no upper incisors. They have horny pad of gum. The lower incisor grind against the horny pad to cut grass. Number 3, omnivores. Animals that eat plants and other animals are known as omnivores. Omnivores' dentition is similar to humans' dentition. Omnivores have incisors to cut food, canines to tear meat, and molars to grind food. Black bear and raccoon are examples of omnivores. They have sharp canine teeth and flatter back molars. Do all omnivores have the same types of teeth as mentioned just now? Why? Not all omnivores have the same set of teeth. Some omnivores, such as chicken, have no teeth and swallow their food whole. If animals had teeth that did not suit their eating habits, what would happen to these animals? There are 3 animals here. Number 1, the goat cannot cut the grass easily. The goat doesn't have strong incisors to cut its food. Number 2, the lion. The lion facing difficulty to tear this meat because the lion doesn't have sharp canines to tear the meat. The orangutan eat the fish easily because canines help to tear meat. However, the orangutan doesn't have incisors and molars to eat the banana easily. Topic number 2, changes in the animals' eating habits. Bears are naturally omnivores that eat plants and other animals. However, polar bears have changed their eating habits. Polar bears are classified as carnivores. They eat other animals only. They live in the polar regions, which are always cold and covered in ice. They cannot find plants because plants cannot grow in the polar regions. Therefore, polar bears change their eating habits. Polar bears eat other animals only. Let's do your exercise in activity book, page 42 to 44. Match the animals with its correct dentition. Dentition number 1 refers to herbivores. Dentition number 2 is for omnivores. And dentition number 3 is for carnivores. Next one, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the goat is a herbivore. The goat has incisors that are used to cut its food and molars that grind its food. Do number 2 and number 3 by yourself. Page 44. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is the natural eating habits of bears? Bears are naturally omnivores that eat plants and other animals. Question 2. What is the eating habits of polar bear? Why? Polar bears are classified as carnivores because they eat other animals only. Question 3. Predict what would happen to animals if there is not enough food in their surroundings. Animals would move to another area to look for food. Animals would eat other types of food. This is changing their eating habit. Complete your exercise. See you in the next lesson.